Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to see how to set up and use a spin wheel widget on a Shopify store. Guys, before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel Coded, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. So guys, you might have already seen many e-commerce websites have a spin wheel functionality on their website. When a user spins the spin wheel, in return, he gets rewards after winning. So, similarly, we can have this functionality on a Shopify store. By default, Shopify doesn't have this functionality. Hence, we need to use a third party app. For that, we need to click on apps, then we need to click on recommended apps. Now, scroll down and you have a Shopify App Store link over here. Click on it. Then a new tab will open where you are going to see the App Store of Shopify. Over here, we need to search spin wheel and then click on enter. Once the results are displayed, you will have to look out for the app called Spin Wheel by Crazy Rocket. Just click on it. So guys, this is the listing page of Spin Wheel Crazy Rocket app. If you see, they are having a free plan and they have also 7-day free trial. Then they have given some more information about their app and you can also see some images that they have shared. Now, if I scroll down, then I can see the description of this app and also I can see the pricing. If you see, they are having altogether 4 plans. The first is free plan, then they have the group plan that is USD 9 per month, then they have the premium that is $24 per month, and the enterprise plan that is $49 per month. So guys, we are going to go with the free plan. Under free plan, we are going to get 1000 monthly pop-ups. Then we'll get all games. Then we'll get one active campaign. Launch icon trigger. So basically, by clicking on the launch icon, our spin wheel is going to open. Then we are going to have their basic features and some basic customization. So now let's scroll on top. Now we need to click on add app. Then you are going to get a confirmation page. This page displays some privacy related data like what kind of information that app is going to access on your Shopify store. Then click on install app. So guys, now you can see that the app has been successfully installed and now we can see the pricing page. So now let's select this free plan. So we need to click on choose over here under free plan. Once that is done, we are going to see the dashboard of Crazy Rocket app. So if you see the URL also, we can't see the Shopify URL. This is because the dashboard itself has opened in the Crazy Rocket app only. We have some many options over here, but we'll not have a look at it. Let's create a first campaign. In order to create a first campaign, we need to click on launch your first pop-up. Once that is done, we are going to see the screen of creating a new campaign. First, you need to select a game, like what kind of game you want. Like if you want a Wheel of Fortune, or if you want a scratch card, or if you want a slot machine or a vertical wheel. This is totally depending on you, what kind of game you want on your Shopify store. Let me go with a vertical wheel. Then you have the different themes for this game. Depending on the theme, the colors change. Let me go with this Black Friday because it looks much attractive to me. Click on choose. Then we get the edit campaign redo page. Over here under global settings, we can give a name for the campaign. Like currently it is wheel. You can change this name also. Then you have the description. If you want to change the description, then you can change it over here. Then we have an option called returning visitors, and if you see currently allow duplicate email option is on. You can turn it off also. So this will allow the duplicate emails on your Shopify store when a customer uses the spin wheel functionality. Similarly, you have the other settings over here. You can have a look at it. Since we are current, since we are currently on the free plan, some of the functionality, if you see, is showing upgrade now. If you go with the paid plan, then only these particular options will be available. Now let's go to triggers. We are going to see the launch icon. Under this setting, you can change the launch icon. I'll go with gift only. Then you have the position of this icon where you want to place it, like top left, top right, bottom right, center right. I'll go with bottom right. Then you have the mobile position. Currently you have center left, center right and disable. I'll go with center right. And the pop-up triggers and on-site notification are currently available under paid plan only. Then advanced targeting. This particular section also is available under paid plan. Under design, we can customize the look and feel of the spin wheel, like what kind of layout we want, like a notification or a sidebar or a pop-up. So let me go with a pop-up only. If you change it to notification, then a notification will appear on the website. Or if you select a sidebar, then it will be shown as a sidebar. So let me go with pop-up. Then we have the header text over here. If you see over here on top, it shows play and win a coupon. You can change this over here also. So whatever text you enter over here will be shown under this particular heading. Then you have the logo. So if you want to change the logo, then you can change it, but this is available under paid plan. Then you have the background image. Similarly, what currently if you see, the image is shown over here. So similarly, you can change it, but that same functionality is available under paid plan. Then you have the color changing option. You can change this particular color also. Similarly, you have the instruction and disclaimer. So whatever instructions that you enter over here will be shown on this particular spin wheel. Then you have the GDPR compliance checkboxes also. Also, you can change the win message like you win, or you can also show a coupon code after a customer wins. Now, let's go under coupons. Over here, you will need to set the coupons. So based on the probability that you set, the customer is going to get the result in the spin wheel. Over here, we need to enter the coupon code. I'll enter save. So this particular coupon code must exist on your Shopify store. Click on apply. So if you see, since this particular coupon code doesn't exist, it shows this, oops, we can't find the coupon code. Save it on Shopify. So now let me enter a correct coupon code. Save big. Since this coupon code exists now, if you see, the coupon code is appearing over here under coupon ID. Similarly, I need to enter for all these particular slices over here till 11. So let me enter it. Now let's understand what is gravity. If you hover over here, then you are going to get some information about gravity. Gravity is the likelihood that a game will extract a specific coupon. Probability expresses that likelihood in terms of percentage. If you want to give the same probability to each coupon, set gravity to 1. If you want the coupon codes to have same gravity, then it should be set as 1. If you want to deliver only one coupon type, set its gravity to 1 and 0 to all others. Like if I set the gravity of these two 0, there if you see the probability has changed. Now the probability for other coupons is 20. Similarly, if I change this over here to 0, then again the probability will change. Now the probability is shown as 25% for other coupons. Let me make this 1 only. We are going to have 16.67% chance of these particular slices will be shown when a user spins the spin wheel. Now let's click on save. Now we need to click on yes, publish it now. So there you go guys, the spin wheel is now active and also the So guys, this is how the spin wheel widget is shown, and once a user wins, he gets a win message along with the coupon code. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in implementing spin wheel functionality on your Shopify store. To get more videos like this, please subscribe my channel, code it, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.